Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm playing Minecraft episode 2 and I have now my new skin. And when I say in an earlier episode, I upgrade my chicken farm. Okay, let's go in the video. Now I'm very sad, but I need to kill the chickens. Okay, sorry guys. First I pick up the eggs so I can have for later and let's kill him. When I killed all chickens, now I need to dig little hole and to dig little bit much and to place hoppers. No, I need to mine. And when I mine one more hole like that. And I place some hoppers. Okay. Here. Here. And here. Actually. I need to shift and place like that. Wait. Wait a minute. Now it's better. Now I need to craft a chest, but before I have full inventory and I place chickens. That's going to be a long trip. And I wanted to say to thank you everyone for watching my videos and please subscribe for more. And now we need to place chickens. There's going to be long. I am very happy to have my second episode. I'm sorry to I don't make new videos every day. I want to change it to have every day videos to make, but I don't know. Okay, I need to go in my chest room to pick the logs and to make chests. 9 chests. Oh, better stuff. Okay, I place this here, shift, here, and here. Now I need to make one more bigger hole, and so I can go down and see to my chest to pick up everything that's here. Okay, and I think to my chicken farm was ended. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching episode 2.